Hi viewers, welcome back to Reproduction in Plants Module 5. In this module, we will discuss about mechanism of sexual reproduction that includes topics like pollination, fertilization, formation of seeds and fruit, and germination of seeds. So, let's begin with pollination. It means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a flower. The given diagram on your screen shows how pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma using a medium. This process of pollination occurs in two ways. First one is self-pollination and the second one is cross-pollination. In the first case, that is the self-pollination, transfer of pollen grains takes place within the same flower or another flower on the same plant. But in case of cross-pollination, transfer of pollen grain takes place into another plant of same kind. Generally friends, pollination always requires some agents to carry pollen grains and release them to stigma. These agents may be insects, water, wind, bird, etc. Now, when a pollen grain falls on the stigma of a flower, it grows as a thin pollen tube which moves downward. The tube or the pollen tube penetrates the stigma, passes through the style and enters into the ovule. The male and the female gamete fuse together to form zygote. This process is called fertilization. This is the second segment of this module, that is fertilization. Kindly follow the diagrams in each case for your reference. After fertilization, several changes occur in a flower, leading to the formation of seeds and fruit. These are: the ovary of the flower swells and develops to form the fruit. Thus, fruit is a ripened ovary of a flower. The ovules present in an ovary grows to become seeds. The other parts of the flower like stamen, style and stigma dry and fall off. So friends, now at the place on the plant where we had the flower originally, we now have the fruit. The fruit protects the seeds. In nature, the same kind of plants grows at different places because their seeds are dispersed to different places by various natural agents, as we discussed earlier also, that is wind, water, etc. So, the scattering of seeds over a large area away from the mother plant by the agents of dispersal is called dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds is beneficial for the plants because it prevents overcrowding of plants in an area, also prevents competition of water, mineral, sunlight, and helps to grow plants in new places or new areas. At last, in this module, we are having the process by which the embryo in the seed becomes active and begins to grow into a new plant, which is called, or the process is called, germination. When a seed has matured and suitable conditions of air, water and temperature, it germinates. Otherwise, lies inactive till condition for germination become favorable. So friends, that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Till then, bye bye, thank you and take care.